Robert Liston, a Scottish surgeon, was known for his speed and his stature. His stature was because he was 6'2" in height, making him around about 6 inches taller than the average person, but he wasn't just tall, he was big-headed as well, so a big man in all respects. Speed, he was known as the fastest knife in the West End of London, because the audience used to say that the first flash of his knife was followed so swiftly by the rasp of the saw on the bone that the two events seemed almost simultaneously. So he would stride into the operating theatre upon his patient quaking on the table, and he would say to the audience, "Time me, gentlemen." And they would reach for their pocket watches to time him to see if he could beat his previous record for an amputation, because he was part showman, part butcher. He liked to get things done very quickly, partly for his own ego, partly for the benefit of the patient, to minimise the time that they would be suffering the sharp sting of the knife.